This little snack right here is so awesome, and it's even better stuffed in an apple with extra caramel. I will show you how to make these apples, but first let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. I will melt my chocolate. This is Color Mill Nude, and I am going to add this. I need some more color here. Okay, so you're going to take your apple and you're going to cut the top of the apple as your lid. Okay, so right away you want to apply lemon juice on your apple to keep your apple green. So you take some lemon juice and you get a treat brush and you apply your lemon juice. On both the apple itself and the lid. Okay, so I am taking my cookie dough scoop here and I am going to take out as much apple as I can. You also want to make sure you get all the apple seeds out before stuffing your apples. You also want to make sure you get the apple core out as well. I am taking the core out the apple. I am applying my lemon juice to the apple with my treat brush to keep the apple green in the inside. Now it's time to stuff my apples with the chocolate turtles. Okay, so I am taking my turtles and I am going to stuff the apple with caramel and the original turtles. So first I am going to take my Ghirardelli sea salt caramel and apply some caramel because I love caramel. Then I am going to put my chocolate turtle candy, and then I am going to apply some more caramel on top. So now I am going to take my apple lid and place on top of the apple. And I apply my candy apple stick down in the apple. So what I'm doing here is applying chocolate to the line where I cut the lid to seal the apple. So I am going to go all around the apple, place it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, and then dip my apple. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes is up. And now it's time to dip my apple. Make sure you get full coverage, and then you pull your apple out. I'm scraping the bottom of my apple to make sure I don't have any extra chocolate on the bottom of my apple. This apple is almost perfect. So now I am going to drizzle some lines on the apple. Okay, now it's time to drizzle my apple, and what I am going to do is drizzle. I have a Ziploc bag here, and I poured my chocolate in the Ziploc bag, and I am just going to punch a hole I'm going to test my drizzle. That's about right. Let me test one more time. Okay. And I am just going to drizzle back and forth over the apple. I'll just go back and forth. And here's my apple. I'm going to turn on the other side. And this is the best part, cutting it open. Dang, will you just move out the way? I'm telling you, people in this house just will not let me be great. I mean, before I can even cut this apple open, my daughter trying to grab an apple and knocking over everything. You guys, have a great weekend. Look at all this caramel oozing out the apple. I can't even enjoy telling you guys to look at this delicious apple. But you guys have a great weekend. These are so good. As you can see in my household, they can't even wait for me to finish showing you guys how to make these without knocking something over, tripping over everything. But these are delicious. So if you guys love turtles and caramel, try this. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week.